Good boy, Kyle. See? He's a good boy. Alright.
Keep going.
Okay. Good boy. Okay.